So, what's in your hand, Gavin?
Johnny's precious collectible coins.
Yes. Half of my valuables. And we are going to go to laundromat. Why might you say, oh, you're using coins to wash clothes? No.
There's something more valuable here than washing.
What we're doing is a little science test here. From what we do know to what we know now, I would say out of any of these, do that one with the star pound, if you know that one. That's star pound bend. This is not. This is number only. I do star pound one.
Dude, does anybody remember the star pound?
Can somebody look it up? My phone's on recording, and I'm like right here in my face, so everybody's like seeing all this. But no, we're here for these.
It was 000 hashtag star, and then you type in the number you want.
No. What video was it?
Why don't we look it up actual? Like, whose battery's that dead? Come on, Chan.
I can't remember where I found it at.
I could do it. Hey, Google. No, I say go to YouTube and type in the vending machine. VMAC. So, no, we're not. Who cares? West Sac, nobody does much. And we're not doing nothing wrong. We're just in the AC trying to figure this out because we have a little bit of a brain fart. Right, Gavin?
Yeah.
Right. It is really hot though, guys. It's like 102 probably outside, and it's what, 5:30, 7?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, so I'm way off. Yes, hungry. Grab a snack, stay on track. What if you're not on track and you're on pavement?
Star, pound, star, pound.
All right, so you know how to do it. You got the coins.
Star, pound,
He has my collecting
pound,
coins,
star,
and I'm
pound.
not believing this is working. I mean,
Star,
people are showing it,
star,
but
pound, star, pound.
comment below if you believe this vending little thing works. Let me know if you've done it or if it does work. It's showing it works. Like, people are actually doing it, but I don't know if they've already put money in before the video started, so as they put that money in, the remainder of the change comes out. You get what I'm saying, Gavin? And I don't know if that's the punk or the hack of it, but it feels like it.
And I still have 65 cents.
See, I want to see them just show me the coins that they put in. You get what I'm saying? Man, I don't know. Gavin, I'm really like ants in my pants. Like, this is the one I watch.
Yeah. This is star, pound, star, pound, star,
I
pound.
think I'm gonna get some Fritos.
Do you think it's gonna work?
No.
Do you think I'm gonna lose my money? Like all my money? I was gonna say coins and money in one word. That's
It'll
weird.
be funny.
It'll be funny. Ha 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 ha. Nothing's funny about this. Press the code first, then put the money in.
65.
So press the code first, then put the money in. Other one. So, dude. Yes.
20, $1.20, $1.30.
Okay, so
Nothing in here we're gonna get.
what do you mean? All that down there?
Alright, so let's go for the spread to 58. Alright.
Something was $1.25, but not there. It's kind of lame. Whatever it was must have been good. Why does it say 33 Ave?
I just put it in.
Okay, do it.
33F is 33 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna avoid that. Avoid it. Okay. So ready? Alright. Come on. Put your fucking coin in here. First. of Johnny's collectibles quarters. Second collectible quarter. Third collectible.
Did I give you my bicentennial ones?
Right here in my hand.
That's bicentennial?
Now we're picking 50.
I gave them the wrong coins?
We have our Sprite, and there's no change. Oh, that means myth has been debunked. That shit does not work. But
And
we
this
got
is
it.
the same style one, they just added a plate. Fun fact, I now have a very valuable Sprite. The face value of this one of coins is $1. Sure. The actual value of those coins, this thing is worth probably a bottle of Hennessy, if not 3 of them. No, thank you, Chan. Probably a bottle of Hennessy and then some.
Okay, we're going to
So,
the house.
here you go, Gavin. Gavin, here you go.
Thanks.